This was the moment Tywin had been preparing for his entire life. He moved with terrifying speed and utter, chilling ruthlessness. The Reynes were powerful, wealthy, and occupied the formidable castle of Castamere, built partially within a vast network of deep, labyrinthine mines. They likely expected negotiation, perhaps concessions, as Tytos would have offered. They fatally underestimated the sun. Tywin's forces descended upon Castamere. The details of the siege are stark and brutal, immortalized in the song Tywin himself likely commissioned as a permanent psychological weapon. The Reynes were defeated in open battle. Survivors, including women, children, and the wounded, retreated into the relative safety of the deep mines beneath their castle. Tywin offered no terms, no quarter. Instead, he commanded his engineers to seal every known exit from the mine